Alright guys, if you're looking for a faster way to launch campaigns in your Google AdWords, I'm going to show you how using AI prompting in combination with Google Ads Editor. If you're not familiar with both of these tools, I recommend you become familiar. Next, you'll want to go over to my site, adsbysam.com, where you can find a number of free prompts, all of which I used in order to build what will end up being a search campaign with multiple ad groups, RSA ads within those ad groups, relevant ad copy, keywords, geo targets. I even have a number of extensions in there as well. This was all built in roughly 30 to 40 minutes. I could do it faster, but it was kind of like a how-to breakdown, so it was still under 40 minutes. So please enjoy the video, comment with any questions at all or any ideas you have for future workflow optimizations. All right, let's get into it. Alright guys, as you can see, we built from scratch a fully formed campaign. All of these prompts are available for free on my website, adsbysam.com. Please like the video if you enjoyed. Please comment if you find value in the prompts, and let me know your ideas for future videos down below. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.